What is going on, everybody? Craig Michelson with Cox Sports on Demand, powered by Max Preps. We're at Modern Day High School, and it's the Nike Extravaganza Day 1. And right now, we have some boys basketball highlights for you. We have the Ocean View Seahawks out of Huntington Beach as they take on the Servite Friars out of Anaheim. Let's get to the highlights. Servite's junior Trevor Trainin drives it and uses the glass. Senior Neil Puau with a 360 to the basket. Ocean View senior Alex Madagian to the basket. Ball rotation to junior Zarek Osborne. 3. Senior Angel Nieves to Osborne. Trainin to senior Luis Wego. Puau out to sophomore Anastasius Markopoulos. 3. Servite up 12-9 after 1. Sophomore Tyler McLean to freshman Jacob Lord. Trainin for 3. Good. McLean outlets to Tran. Count it. Senior Kemet Osborne in the post. Wego in the corner for 3. Good. Senior Tristan Winschlag grabs the rebound and puts it back. Osborne from long range. Trainin over to McLean. 3. Servite up by 11 after 2. Nieves drains a 3. Puau up and in. Trainin to senior Patrick Arroyo. Puau takes the baseline. Puau with the fadeaway. Medjanin to Winschlag. Wego attacks. Trainin to McLean at the basket. Medjanin for 3. Good. Wego out to Trainin in three-point land. Servite leads 41-23 after 3. Puau from long range. Trainin grabs the O-board and puts it back. Puau grabs a loose ball and out to Trainin, who gets the bucket and a few bruises. Osborne with the jumper. Osborne grabs the rebound and gets the 2. Count it. Arroyo grabs it and drops it back in. Trainin snags the pass and lays it in. Medjanin from the top. 3. Senior Austin Babier with his foot on the line. As Servite blows out Ocean View by 22. Thanks for watching Cox Sports on Demand, powered by Max Preps, keeping you in demand.